Hello everyone, this is Lekki Cosmic Finance, and in this video I'll be explaining to you how you can be profitable trading the M and the W patterns. So if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends. Alright, now going straight to the reason for coming to this video or creating this video. Now, a lot of misconceptions have occurred in the past as regards the M and the W patterns, and a lot of persons have concluded that these patterns don't work. Some persons have said a lot that it's useless using them. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually profit using the M and the W pattern. First of all, what you need to understand is your market trend. You need to first of all understand your market structure, that is the chart pattern, the chart structure. Yes, now this is it. For an uptrend, I explained this in the previous videos and tutorials in this channel, so I implore you to go to the channel and check the videos that we have there, and you will see and understand what I mean by chart patterns. And now this is an uptrend, then this is a downtrend. Yes, now trends are characterized in this form. We have, for an uptrend, this the lower low, then this is the higher high, then here we have another higher high, then here we have, because this is higher than this, then we have a higher low, then this is under higher low, then this is another higher high. Okay, a normal trend we always follow this pattern. Now any uptrend that does not follow this pattern certainly is not an uptrend and is basically a choppy market, and I will always advise that you stay away from choppy markets. Then for a downtrend, this is your higher low, then this is your lower low, because this is the beginning. Then here you have, this is supposed to be a lower high. This is supposed to be a lower high. It's supposed to be a lower high. Then this is the next lower high. Then this is the lower low. Then this is another lower low. Then here you have the lower high again. So these are basically the characteristics of a market. There's an uptrend, this is a downtrend. Yes, so now why you need to understand this is this. Now we have the M pattern. This is an M pattern. Yes, then this is a W pattern. Now there are three other types of M and W patterns. M pattern, we have three types. We have this, then we have this, then for W we have this, then we have this. Now this is wrong and this is wrong, this is wrong and this is also wrong. Now my reason for saying these are wrong is not because on a normal day they won't go by. They will actually go by, but the reason why I don't like looking out for this is because number one, this and this and this and this, they fail to follow this pattern. Now for an uptrend, now M is used for a downtrend. Now this is the uptrend. Now is reversing. It went this way 1, 2 and 3. Now you notice that this is higher than this, so you can see it follows the same thing like this. This is 1, 2 and 3. Here is higher than here. So now the same thing for your uptrend. It was coming from a downtrend, then you have your 1, 2, 3. You notice that this is lower than this, so this is what you get here. You have your 1, 2, 3. So this is the lower low here, this is that lower low you're supposed to have here. So basically, sorry, this is supposed to be a higher low rather, so you'll be having your higher low here. So now basically, if you look out for this and this alone, then you're certain that your M and W patterns will at least at a 80 to 90% of time pull through than a certain market. So now let's just jump to our charts and just see how we can actually apply this. Now first of all, to apply this, I advise you go to your daily time frame, then you draw your support and resistance. If you don't know how to draw support and resistance, please visit my previous video on how to draw support and resistance. Yes, support and resistance is, as over the years, been proven to be unavoidable in the market, has been proven to be unavoidable in the trading market. So I would advise that you learn how to draw your support and resistance. Now how I'm drawing the support and resistance might be different for you, but for the sake of locating our M and W pattern, it's necessary that we draw it this way. So I'm not against how you actually draw yours, but I just need you to understand that this reason why I'm following this pattern is because of what I want to use it for. Yes, it's because of what I want to use it for. So that is it. Okay, so this is our daily time frame. Here's our daily time frame. Okay, so always make sure that when you are drawing your support and resistance, make sure that you're drawing it on a daily time frame. It's very, very essential. Very, very essential. Okay, it's very, very essential. Alright, okay, where else am I missing out? Let me just put this here, and let me put this here, and then which other one? Let's put this here, and which other one haven't we drawn? Which other one haven't we drawn? Okay, I think, oh no, okay, I think this is remaining. Alright, so that's that. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your 1 hour time frame, the smaller time frame, or the higher time frame. Now here, the only thing you're looking out for here, the only thing that you're basically looking out for is you're looking out for your W patterns forming on the support and resistance levels that you have drawn. If it doesn't fall on any of them, you neglect it. It must fall on the support and resistance levels that you have drawn. Anyone that does not fall on it, you don't recognize it, you don't consider it. So quickly, what you need to do now is, in this kind of scenario now, you can see it dropped. This is 1, 2 and 3, and this is your W. You can see it pushed up just like this. You can see just like this. You can see we have some, you can see that this level is higher than this one. You can see this is higher than this. Okay, let's look for another scenario. Let's look for another viable scenario. Okay, look at this. This is 1, 2 and 3. Then what did we have? We have a push up. We had a retest, then continue upwards again. You can see that. Alright, okay, let's look for another one. Let's look for another successful one that took place, that happened. Okay, you can see this is 1, 2, 3. You can see this and this. This is above this, then it dropped, then continue going down. Okay, let's look for another one. Let's look for another one. Like I said, don't forget, anything happening in between is none of your business. All that concerns you. Okay, look at this now. This is 1, 2, 3. You notice that there's a bit of a slant here. You can see this. It's slanted here. You can see that it is not straight. You can see that this is above this. So this is 1, 2, 3, then push to the upside. So you can go on and on and on looking for these patterns. You can see here, this is 1, 2, 3. This is higher than this, then it dropped to this level. Okay, let's keep looking at it. Let's just look for one more, and we'll be okay. Look for one more and we'll be okay. Let's look for one more, we'll be okay. Okay, like I said, you can see this happened, yes, but it didn't occur on any of the support and resistance line, so you don't consider it. Okay, look at the good one here. It dropped 1 here, went up and dropped, and you can see then it went up and continued upwards. So, and that good thing is M&W patterns are usually known for reversals. They are very, very good when it comes to reversals. they are very good when it comes to reversals. They help you to spot reversals without stress. You can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is higher than this. So now when you spot things like this, what you need to do is your first target, if that is 1, 2, 3, your first target is the form of this M here. When you enter a buy signal here, you enter, then you place your target here. Then when the market moves up, comes down, goes up, then you start shifting your stop loss towards this, towards each of the pullbacks, the beginning of each of the pullbacks. So you move from here to here, then from here to here, then from here you move to here. Then when the market is coming down, then it takes you out and you make your profit from here. So actually here. So that's how you can actually be profitable trading with the M and W patterns. So, and also lastly, it's really good for you to look for a confirmation of your candlesticks when trading. Now, as for me, I usually like to look for pin bars and engulfing candles. For instance, when the market dropped down here, went up and dropped, I won't just enter right here. Right after I've confirmed that this is a W pattern, then along the completion of the pattern, I'll be looking for a candlestick pattern, a candlestick reversal form pattern. So you can look for an engulfing candlestick here or a pin bar. Like here, you can see that this is an engulfing candlestick here. So you can enter right here. So if you enter right here, then you make your profit to this other support and resistance, and you're good to go. So that's how you can actually profit trading the M and W pattern. You can see 1, 2, 3. You can see it dropped, then continue downwards. You can see the same thing here, 1, 2, 3. You can see then pushed up to this level. You can see the same thing here, 1, 2, 3. You can see this, then pushed as high as this. So right here, 1, 2, 3. You can see this here. This is like a pin bar here. You can see the long wicks. Then you enter and you ride the trend. You can see here 1, 2, 3. You can see the long wicks. You can see another engulfing here. And you just ride the trend. So basically, that's how you can actually be profitable trading with this strategy without stress and with patience. So it helps you to guide against all the mistakes that can possibly be made while trading. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you liked the strategy that I just showed you, I'd like you to share this video with your friends and also tell them to join the community. And if also you're not part of the community, please join by subscribing and clicking the bell button to get notification whenever videos like this have been uploaded, as we actually upload 2 to 3 new videos and strategies to trade volatility 75, volatility indexes at large, boom and crash, forex and crypto. And also on Mondays we usually make updates on Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that you can have a feel of what's going to happen for the week. So also, if you want to join our Telegram group, click the description button below and you will see the link to join our Telegram. So if you have any comments and questions, also contact me in my contact details there, or put it in the comment section below. So I will see you next video, and I still remain your boy Leke Cosby Finance. Take care of yourself.